Python 2, and my name is Patrick Dang, and this is spring 2023, and this is Python 2. And my idea was like inspired by robots and how robots could do so much for us to this day. They could also do like almost anything for us and have been doing it. For example, there's like a robot that makes cotton candy at the mall for me, and the robot was like making a perfect one and more perfect than most of us that could ever do. Moreover, robots have helped us humans, servers, jobs, and serving a customer. What did I learn and use for my project? Well, I learned list of favorite foods and looping through lists. And those are the examples, which one of the examples is samples of rock noodle soup, and the other one is carrots smoothie. Code example, code number one, making lists. This list of codes basically organizes and makes it easier for the audience to see. The list could also help, for example, with the grocery list. And code number two, looping through lists. Basically, looping through lists also helps because of how it helps for a clearer look to the code for the audience. And the example is for iron range. Basically, just organizes it, and the sample robot just basically like prints it out and just also organizes it. Demo. So um the service robot is John, and I'll be your service robot. And today, and it's basically like the menu, the basic menu, and it's eggs, sausages, steak, and popcorn. There's also a drinks robot, and here are the drinks that are on the menu: Diet Coke, Coke, water from the creek, and this is the robot that basically in charge of the secret menu: fried butter, raw eggs on fries, fried eggs on chicken broth. And it's robot three, basically just like the favorite foods of people ordering it. This is a sample robot. It basically just samples the things randomly, and the one that's currently open is rocking the soap and carrot smoothie. Those, and this is the John, the talk show robot. He'll be like talking about all like just making you entertained, and the exit robot will be greeting you outside and saying goodbye, having a nice day. So my favorite part about working on this project was Miss Brianna, because she's just a good teacher in general. And how to improve on my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, like I would add like to people like a robot that could read out the list of the items, and I want to like add like a speaker for people to hear. I want there to also be like a robot that would help with transportation. Thank you for listening, guys.